हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल टू एवरीवन। कल हमने जो क्लास टेंथ में जो टॉपिक पकड़ा था द घाट ऑफ द अनली वर्ल्ड, उसको अधूरा छोड़ा था। तो आज हम उसको कंप्लीट करने जा रहे हैं। क्या था, और इसमें मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन भी आपसे पूछे थे कि आपने ये होम असाइनमेंट में कंप्लीट करने हैं। तो आगे बढ़ते हुए जो इसकी समरी है द घाट ऑफ द अनली वर्ल्ड की, The Ghat of the Only World is by the author Amitav Ghosh. The Ghat of the Only World summary deals with the fulfillment of a promise by a friend. तो जैसे हमने कल बोला था कि एक प्रॉमिस था फ्रेंड का, शाहिद अली ने अमिताभ घोष को लिया था। और अमिताभ, जब शाहिद अली की डेथ हुई उसके बाद जो है इसने एक खूबसूरत इसका जो है कंपोज करके उसकी एक स्टोरी लिखी। इट इज़ अ ट्रिब्यूट टू द कश्मीरी पोइट आगा शाहिद अली. Shahid made the author promise to write about him after death overtakes him. कि उसने वादा लिया था कि जब वो डेथ हो जाएगी तो उसके बाद जो है उसका लिखे अमिताभ घोष. फर्दर मोर, दिस वॉज बिफोर शाहिद सफर्ड फ्रॉम अ ब्रेन ट्यूमर एंड अल्टीमेटली कम टू इट. इट इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप एंड कमिटमेंट. मोर एवर द ऑथर फुलफिल्स हिज प्रॉमिस he made to his friend who is no longer alive. The lesson focus on Shahid, what were his likes and what his way of living life. So yesterday we also talked about ki, what did he like. For example, he like Roshnara Begum, songs of Roshnara Begum. He was a uh, humorous person. He was a he was a good writer. He wrote so many poems, and he loved Kashmir. He loved his own country. He was a secular person. So these are things which Amitav Ghosh write about that Shahid Ali. So the lesson focus on Shahid. So this total lesson is focused on that Shahid Ali only. ठीक है. Whatever his likes and whatever his way of living life was, this was like a celebration. Even his diagnosis, even when he was diagnosed that he had tumor, तो it doesn't mean कि वो टूट गया. He did not break up here, he did not crashed, but he stand there and वो खड़ा रहा और मुकाबला किया अपनी मौत का. और एक जगह पे जिक्र करता है यहाँ पर कि जब वो हॉस्पिटल में ले जा रहे थे उसको चेक करने के लिए, तो उसकी जो वहाँ पे नर्स ने बोला आप बैठ जाइए, तो उसने बोला नहीं मैं खड़ा होके चलूँगा, लेकिन आगे चल के वो गिर पड़ा. तो उसका मतलब वो एक प्रूव करता है कि वो बड़ा ब्रेव पर्सन था. और ये जो समरी स्टार्ट होती है, द घाट ऑफ द ओनली वर्ल्ड समरी इन इंग्लिश. शाहिद अली वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ द ऑथर. फर्दर मोर ही वाज अ पोएट बाय प्रोफेशन. Shahid was a talented poet who gave liberty to life to embrace death with his amazing choice of words. Furthermore, Shahid was well aware that the time he at hand was not much. Ali gave a nostalgia experience to the author Amitav Ghosh with this treasure trove of enormous life force. तो एक अलग तरीके का तजुर्बा जो है अमिताभ घोष के लिए था ये, क्योंकि बिकॉज शाहिद अली knew that he is not going to live more, but still he tried to live life like a common man, common human being like we, who do not know when to die. But that person Shahid Ali knew that he is going to die on that fixed date, within month, within year, but still he was enjoying his life. His words reveal the political problems during his stay in Kashmir. The period of friendship between the author and Shahid was short. It means their period of friendship was not long, as I yesterday mentioned that when they were in Delhi University, they were not they don't knew each other, but it was in Brooklyn, America, where they come to know with each other. And however, even in this short period, Shahid left some skillful brushstrokes of us Kashmir that was different. Furthermore, Shahid was a firm believer in the separation of religion and politics. Moreover, Shahid set apart all the negativities that had made this beautiful region into a lost paradise. So this is about Kashmir, what he was thinking about Kashmir. So he separate religion from politics, and he also speaks about the negativities which was harming our paradise, Kashmir. Shahid had a wish he made to his parents in his childhood. This wish was his desire to have a small Hindu temple in his room. Shahid was not pharisaik. Gradually, with time, his mother brought idols and other trappings. Furthermore, the innermost part of his house became a holy temple. Consequently, the house became a religious confluence of both Islam and Hinduism. So, in this story, he also speaks about that he was a secular person. Yesterday, we also talked about in the previous video. That he was secular, and he also promised his parents that he will bring some Hindu, he will make some small Hindu temple in his room. So in it says that that his house became the religious place of Hindus as well. Islam and Hinduism both were uh, going along in that house. Shahid had a great love for food. He was a secular person. In first, he talks about Kashmir. Second, that screenshot I showed to you, that he was a secular person. In this one, he has love for food. He was able to enjoy food even during the last stage of cancer. Shahid had an interest in talking about food even during his last stage of cancer. Shahid was when he was about to die, but still he said that food you should have love for. He had great love for food. Shahid had always present at a party that was around him. One cannot say whether this was the enjoy food or to please his companions. So he was there to serve food to his friends. So in this summary, we can say that it was to please his companions or to just enjoy food. Uh, Shahid did not take cancer seriously. For him, it was nothing more than a joke. There was never acceptance of defeat from Shahid to cancer. He did not accept defeat. He stayed strong for against that disease. Even to the very end, Shahid was a lively person, lively man. There was a display of his interest in laughter. He was making jokes, food, and poetry. Even in the last stage of his disease, furthermore, his celebration of life was such that anyone would think that he was defeating death every day. However, in spite of such liveliness, the fact was that he was nearing his death. His words were nearly moving when he could see no more. So he was not accepting defeat, that I'm going to die, and so I should not do this and that. But in spite of he knew that he's going to die within that stipulated time, but he continues to live life like a lively person. The author Amitav Ghosh certainly kept his promise, and he threw light on the painful and sweet memories of with a display of his writing skill. The way of writing was such that the pain was hidden even from the author. Even that Amitav Ghosh was also not happy. He was not, I mean to say, he was not feeling pain. He was also feeling pain like we people, we common people. But in this story about Shahid Ali, he never shows that he was very serious about that Shahid Ali, that he is going to die. So he shows him Shahid Ali as a lively person. The way of writing was such that the pain was hidden. That pain was hidden somewhere. Aga Shahid Ali was everything which the author lost, and the God the only world is an attempt to reincarnate him. कंक्लूजन हम अगर इसका निकालें तो क्या है? द घाट ऑफ द ओनली वर्ड समरी शोज द कमिटमेंट ऑफ अ मैन टुवर्ड्स हिज फ्रेंड. तो हु हैड शोन कमिटमेंट? दैट अमिताभ घोष टू हिज फ्रेंड Shahid Ali, because writing that this story about Shahid Ali for him, who had exceptional admirable qualities, and that Shahid Ali has qualities, admirable qualities of being loving, secular and lively person. So Shahid was a दिस इज़ अ करेक्टर ऑफ शाहिद. अगर हम बोलें टोटल उसकी स्टोरी शाहिद की, तो क्या है? शाहिद वॉज profound lover of good poetry, good music, good food. He loved music of Kishore Kumar, Roshnara, Begum and Begum Akhtar. Roshnara and Begum Akhtar. And he also loved the old Bollywood films, movies. He had a passion of Kashmiri food. He always loved Rogan Josh. He had a friendly nature and therefore loved the company of others. There was never an evening when there was not party in his living room. हर रोज वहाँ पे पार्टी होती थी उसके घर में. शाहिद फेस्ड हिज डेथ विद एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी कवरेज. बड़ी हिम्मत से उसने मुकाबला किया अपनी डेथ का. द ड्रेडफुल डिजीज ऑफ कैंसर कुड नॉट ब्रेक द स्पिरिट एंड नेवर लॉस्ट कवरेज द फेस ऑफ मिसफॉर्चून. तो ये जो खतरनाक बीमारी थी इसकी हिम्मत को नहीं हरा पाई. ही थॉट ही वॉज टू मीट विद हिज मदर आफ्टर लाइफ. तो वो ऐसा सोचता था कि मरने के बाद मैं अपनी माँ से मिलूंगा. बिफोर हिज डेथ ही वॉज इन हॉस्पिटल एंड एस्कॉट हिम टू with a wheelchair. He refused to take help of a wheelchair, preferred to walk on his own. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि उसने wheelchair को refuse किया, बोला खुद चलूंगा. When he walked, he few steps could not proceed forward. The attendant was called again. A kind of joy came upon him. When the hospital orderly returned with a wheelchair, he gave him a smile and asked where he was from. तो जब वो आया वो अटेंडेंट उसको उठाने के लिए फिर दोबारा, क्योंकि वो चल नहीं सका, तो फिर उसको पूछा यहाँ से कि तुम कहाँ रहते हो, और बड़ी स्माइल से उसकी तरफ देखा. यानी बड़ा लाइवली पर्सन था. द मैन सेड दैट ही वाज फ्रॉम इक्वाडोर एंड ही क्लेप्ड हिज हैंड्स एंड सेड एट द टॉप ऑफ हिज वॉइस दैट ही ऑलवेज वांटेड टू लर्न स्पेनिश इन ऑर्डर टू लीड लोरिका. तो फिर उसको बोला कि मैं भी लोरिका सीखना चाहता हूँ और लोरिका को पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, उसके लिए मुझे स्पेनिश सीखनी थी. Shahid was a humorous person. He loved to happy, wished to see others be happy. While once in Barcelona airport, जब मैंने बोला था कल वाली वीडियो में कि a lady security guard asked him what he was doing in Spain, he had replied that he was writing poetry. उसने बोला कि मैं poetry लिखता हूँ. तो when he lady asked him कि if he had something dangerous with him, तो he sharply clasped hand and chest, और छाती पे हाथ रखा और बोलने लगा only my heart, सिर्फ मेरा दिल है. शाहिद was a successful teacher. वो टीचर भी रहा, प्रोफेसर भी अपॉइंट हुआ था और बच्चे उसे बहुत प्यार करते थे. उन्होंने लास्ट पे उसको एक मैगजीन भी दी थी. शाहिद वाज अ सक्सेसफुल टीचर. ही परफॉर्म्ड अ सीरीज ऑफ जॉब्स इन कॉलेजेस एंड यूनिवर्सिटी ड्यू टू द ब्रिलियंट इंटेलिजेंस एंड आर्ट ऑफ टीचिंग. ही गेन्ड अ ग्रेट रेपुटेशन अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स. स्टूडेंट्स में बहुत प्यार करते थे उससे, क्योंकि उसकी आर्ट ऑफ टीचिंग जो है बहुत बढ़िया थी. दे हेल्ड हिम इन डीप लव एंड रेस्पेक्ट फॉर सम टाइम. ही टॉट मैनहट्टन्स ब्रज कॉलेज आल्सो was their professor. When he was leave this college, the students published a magazine and dedicated the issue to him. तो जब वो वहाँ से जा रहा था तो बच्चों ने एक मैगजीन पब्लिश की और उसको डेडिकेट की. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस आगा शाहिद अली एंड you should consult for the homework for today. You should consult your textbook and check the questions there and that write आंसर ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस. 5 क्वेश्चन जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में दिए गए हैं उनको देखकर आप उनके आंसर लिखेंगे. ये आपका होमवर्क रहेगा, ठीक है. तो ये शाहिद अली की पूरी एक स्टोरी थी. सो थैंक यू फॉर स्टेइंग, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियोस.